5 underrated stocks with potential in 2025. This video is not financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. Most people only talk about the big names, Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, but some of the most powerful investments are the ones no one's talking about yet. So in this video, I am breaking down 5 underrated stocks that could have huge upside in 2025. All with strong fundamentals, growing trends, or untapped potential. Let's get into it. 1. UiPath, ticker PATH. UiPath builds automation software that helps businesses save time and cut costs using bots and AI. With the rise of automation across industries, this company is well positioned to become a major player in enterprise software. Why it's underrated. While everyone's hyped on ChatGPT, UiPath is quietly embedding automation into real-world workflows. 2. Mercado Libre, ticker MELI. Think of it as the Amazon of Latin America. Mercado Libre dominates e-commerce and fintech in countries like Brazil, Argentina, and Mexico. Why it's underrated. Emerging markets are growing fast, and this company is leading the charge where Amazon has an T taken over. 3. SoFi Technologies, ticker SoFi. SoFi is a digital bank aimed at younger generations. It combines investing, loans, credit, and banking into one sleek platform. Why it's underrated. It's still seen as risky. But if Gen Z continues to ditch traditional banks, SoFi could explode in user growth. 4. Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. Palantir builds data platforms used by governments, defense, and Fortune 500 companies. Why it's underrated. It has long-term government contracts, tons of cash, and major exposure to AI. It's not exciting to retail traders, but that's the point. 5. Toast, ticker Toast. Toast builds point-of-sale systems and software for restaurants. With millions of small businesses moving to modern tech, Toast is creating an all-in-one platform for restaurants to survive and thrive. Why it's underrated. It's deeply niche but highly scalable and already in thousands of restaurants across the US. Remember, these aren't recommendations. They're research ideas. Look deeper into the ones that interest you, understand the risks, and invest with a long-term mindset. Comment below. Have you heard of any of these before? Or do you have an underrated stock pick I should check out? Smash that! Like if this gave you ideas, and subscribe to the Wealth Loop for more videos on stocks, smart money, and building wealth in 2025 and beyond.